Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a refund for NBA 2K24. The first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Steam application and then go to the help at the top, then select the Steam support. So right after that, just select the NBA 2K24. So since I don't have that, I will then just have to show you my GTA. So just click on it, assuming that this is the NBA 2K24, and then click on the view receipt option and then just wait. Now click on the I would like a refund option and then click on the I'd like to request a refund and choose a refund method, and I'm going to choose the PayPal. Okay, right after that, you will then just have to provide your reasons or reason. So I will going to choose the game is too difficult. Okay, then right after that, you can just click on the submit request, and then you will then just have to wait for the response. Okay, so for the next one, to request a refund using your PlayStation, you will then just have to open your web browser and then type out playstation.com/en-s/support. And then you'll be able to log into your account and click on the refunds and then click on the requesting a PS Store refunds and then click on the refund for games and add-ons and click on request refund. Now contact PlayStation support and then click on the PS Store and refunds and then PlayStation Store refunds option. Here chat with a virtual assistant answering questions accurately. Get connected to a live agent to process the refund accurately. Explain your reason politely and clearly so that you'd be able to get your money back. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.